Buddy up, the English phrase demystified. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve deep into the phrase, buddy up. This is a commonly used phrase in English, and by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and know how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The term, buddy, in English often refers to a friend or partner. When we add the word, up, after, buddy, it becomes a phrasal verb. The phrase, buddy up, means to pair up with someone, usually for a specific purpose or activity. It implies collaboration, teamwork, or forming a partnership with someone. 1. In school, for this project, I'd like everyone to buddy up and work in pairs. 2. In sports or gym, we're going to do partner exercises today. So buddy up with someone of a similar fitness level. 3. In daily life, we're going on a trip, and it's a long drive. Maybe you two can buddy up and share the driving. Each of these examples demonstrates how buddy up can be used in different contexts, emphasizing collaboration and partnership. Understanding synonyms can further clarify a phrase's meaning. Some synonyms or similar phrases to buddy up include pair up, team up, join forces, collaborate. Using these similar phrases can add variety to your English conversations and help reinforce the idea of partnering or working together. And there we have it. Now you know what buddy up means, its various applications, and some synonymous phrases. The next time you hear someone say, let's buddy up for this activity, you'll know exactly what they mean. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!